This one's called Basic Mathematical Operations. There's a link to this exact challenge right below the video. Give it a shot before watching. You've always got this to fall back on, but honestly, the best way to learn is to struggle. Oh, and it's in JavaScript. So, but the function is kind of set up like someone's a C++ coder. Okay, so your task is to create a function that does 4 basic mathematical operations. The function should take 3 arguments. The operation, value 1, value 2. So the operation is going to be the string of one of the 4 things. And then we have our 2 numbers here. So you could do a whole bunch of if-elses. And I think if I was at the beginner level, that's my first thought, is a whole bunch of if-elses based on these strings. So you have that as your option. Alternatively, I believe there's usually in most programming languages, there's what's called an eval, where you give it a string and then it evaluates it in the actual code. So let's see if JavaScript has that. So we'll do JavaScript eval. Sure enough, they do. Okay. It's a huge security risk. Okay, so here we go, YOLO. All right, so look here. We have a string, 2 plus 2, and it's actually going to evaluate it. So it's going to take a string of a math operation and then run it in JavaScript. Okay, so that's our goal here. We're going to return eval. This is going to be backticks, right? This is not single quotes. That's your tilde button without hitting the shift. Okay, and the reason why is because we're going to interpolate. Interpolate is like inserting this stuff into the string. Okay, so we're going to put value 1 right here at the beginning. The operation is the second thing, and then value 2 is the third thing. Okay, so that creates one big giant string, which is then evaluated and then actually returned. All right, so let's test this out. It's looking good. Great job, y'all.